Draco System Designer offers various features to simplify your KVM system configuration. First, let's have a look at the reverse layout setting. Most extended CPU modules have a complement at the console or con side. To avoid having to configure both sides from start to end, Draco System Designer offers a function called reverse layout. When your local or CPU chassis are completely configured, go to the bottom of the right sidebar and click Reverse Layout. There you've got it. The existing chassis will be complemented by the remote or con side, or vice versa. Go back, and here you see, both equipped chassis are listed in your project. To delete individual modules, you can either click on the trash icon or move it to the upper top. The same procedure works for whole chassis. Just click the trash icon or move it to the top.